going out one more day today to show you some of the cool things to see and do here in Bangkok.
Welcome to our channel. We are Growing Up Without Borders, a family of 5 on a crazy mission to visit every country in the world. Join us as we discover the streets of Bangkok, its massive, huge variety of all different types of shops.
If you fancy buying a Rolls Royce or maybe even a yacht, well, they have them right here in the shopping mall.
We'll show you how accessible it is to find literally anything you could possibly imagine.
So I just picked up a new backpack, which I'm super excited about because I've been waiting a long time.
We'll take you to a secret spot to enjoy the most amazing sunset over Wat Arun. And we'll end the night in Chinatown, where we'll show you some delicious street food. And then we'll show you how we de-stress with all this crazy madness of travel.
And you and I will bring the sunshine. Oh yeah. Everywhere we go, everywhere we go. Everywhere we go, everywhere we go, everywhere we go.
We are busting a move this morning. We are making the big move, but not too very far. We're just literally going down a couple floors to the Conrad Residence. So they actually have like basically apartment long-term stays, and that's where we're going to stay for the next few nights. Let's see what these look like. Ooh, it's more of an apartment style. Nice. So we got a nice big bedroom here, nice bathroom, and oh, they still give you nice fruit. And then bedroom number 2 over here. Sweet. Look at how big the rooms are actually. Really nice if you're coming for a long stay. And then, look at that. We've got a nice view down below of the beautiful pool and the tennis courts. They have this amazing stocked kitchen, so we will be able to, for the next few nights, make maybe a few home-cooked meals. They have everything stocked up, as you can see, so access to everything, just like you'd be at home. So perfect for an extended stay here in Bangkok. You guys are so bad.
Want to bite?
More ice cream.
I haven't had it.
So we're going out one more day today to show you some of the cool things to see and do here in Bangkok. So this is so crazy because they have these like basically markets right underneath of where all the overpasses are. And on the train tracks. Look at that. They have markets on train tracks. What in the world? The girls don't even want to try the durian fruit. They're jaded. It's horrible. This guy's repairing shoes. So I know that if you come all the way to Bangkok, you don't want to go see another shopping mall, but that's exactly what we are about to go do. Although when you do come here, shopping is one of the key things. We are right now on a hunt for some electronics. I broke my gimbal and we have to fix it. So this here is called Central World. They have apparently all the different technology stores and such, and it's a big, huge shopping mall, as you can see. Every shopping mall that we've been to has these little food stands that look like you're at a street market, but in a shopping mall. It's really convenient and really good pricing.
And you get a card and then you just tap it. It's easier.
Here it is. So they make it just fresh right in front of you, so you get a really good meal. My girls are learning how to make it so they can replicate it at home.
So a meal like this costs you $2.50 US.
That's amazing. And surprisingly, when you come to sit down, it's a beautiful setup with some nice utensils. Really nice. Okay, we've been to a really cool grocery store that we thought had an amazing selection yesterday, but we just found this grocery store, which is unreal. Look at this. Check out their selection of cookies, guys. Isn't this wild? Yeah. Okay, this is the Cambly chocolate, I keep saying chocolate, the Cambly cookie factory that they have in Switzerland, but I didn't know they really sell them all over the world, and they are so delicious. So of course we had to get some. And if ever you go to Switzerland, go check out the Cambly Cookie Factory because you can try free samples, which is so cool.
2 rows of cereals, and they have cereals I've never seen except for like once in my life.
Wow. And they have this beautiful sitting area here where people can just buy their food and eat right at the grocery store. What is it called? I'm ordering an espresso macchiato and it costs $2.50. I'm just giving you guys some pricing in case you want to know what pricing is like here in Thailand. These are the cookies we just got. Look, and there's hardly any left. What in the world? This is their sitting area. It looks like a playground. It's for adults, a playground for adults, yeah. That guy's falling asleep. We're not sure what they are spraying, but there is spray coming out of these pipes right here. The whole area here where people can just walk on a second level versus being down below at the street level. Makes it for a little bit less of a noisier walk. And that's the back of people's houses. Here in this shopping mall, if you fancy buying a Rolls Royce or maybe even a yacht, well, they have them right here in the shopping mall. You can imagine that. Or you can buy a McLaren. All the fancy cars in here. This is crazy. Julia just said this is worse than Dubai. Literally, we're trying to find our way out and it's just store after store after store after store. And you walk through what is like an outdoor mall into another walkway, which is like an indoor mall. Just like crazy amounts of stores. Instead of taking the main streets, we keep walking through these little alleys that are essentially more and more stores. So you go through all the buildings like that.
So I just picked up a new backpack, which I'm super excited about because I've been waiting a long time, and it has lots of pouches, which is
Super
perfect
nice.
because I travel a lot.
All right, so we are all set. We just bought a stand or a holder for the GoPro, and we just did a really good job. So we're at the MBK. We found this store over here, and this lovely lady helped us find one for like 20 bucks.
Now we're gonna go find phone cases, and my mom's looking for GoPro accessories. We bought one, really good, stable, and yeah.
This is the electronics section. You can literally find everything you're looking for electronic-wise. It's really cool. So we just found these lovely iPhone cases with a little back thing. Girls are getting exhausted from being here shopping for hours and hours. And we are about to get a happy hour price.
For one and back, happy hour price.
Happy hour price? What is the happy hour price?
Friend, 1,700 front and back for iPhone 8.
So you guys always see us traveling around the world and having fun and making cool videos, but this is our reality of what it looks like behind the scenes. The girls are literally sitting on beds, kneeling down, doing schoolwork while we are here in Bangkok.
And then this one. Hi.
Hi.
Quick break in today's video to give a special thanks to Crimson Global Academy for supporting our travels. Crimson Global Academy is the online school that our girls attend, and I'm going to share with you some of the reasons why we love it so much. So the first thing is it's a world school, meaning that they have kids from all around the world, every different country joining in together. They offer a wide variety of subjects and courses. It's not just your main subjects, so they have other classes like investing and all different types of curriculums that you can tie into. They also have professional teachers that they've gathered from around the world, so they have really good qualified teachers.
Hello everyone, hope you're all really well. Welcome to another English class and let's get started.
The classrooms are so small and so engaging, so everyone is interacting all the time. They do it via like a Zoom platform where they're interacting like that online.
One thing I love about Crimson Global Academy is the flexibility, because no matter where we are, whether we're in a car or a train or bus, you can always do Crimson anywhere, anytime. So what I love about Crimson Global Academy is that you can get that high school experience even though we're traveling around the world. I can be in a classroom with teachers and classmates, and I just love that. So what I love about CGA is that you have other kids in your class. So meaning you don't always have to do the work alone. You can message each other, you can do your work together, and it's like way more of a school feeling rather than when we were homeschooling, everything was by yourself, no teacher, no help, no friends. So it's really nice.
This gives the girls their continued school curriculum, and it allows us to do school anytime and anywhere. No matter where we are, the girls can plug in and be in their class and continue their studies. So we're putting a link below to Crimson Global Academy. Be sure to check it out. Contact them if you have any questions, and let's get back to our tour of Bangkok.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
Just driving right now on our way to go see a beautiful sunset, and we passed by a really famous park called Lumpini Park. It's where everyone goes to just get away from the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy some green nature. Right now we are driving through Chinatown. This is what it looks like. Here is their flower market.
So right now we're about to go see the sunset view of a temple.
So this lady has herself fully set up outside with a kitchen, her TV, and everything. And it's right here by the river where we're about to go. Oh wow. When you walk along and you take a water taxi, it's one beautiful temple after the other. Going up all these stairs.
Yeah.
To get a beautiful view. Wow, this place just keeps going up and up and up. So every level is for food except for the very top, which is nice because then you get the best views. Here we go. Gorgeous view. Next stop is Chinatown. We're gonna go over there, show you around, and maybe get some yummy food. Now we're leaving and the whole family is actually outside watching. We just found where all the gamers go to play their video games. So this here where we're walking is the flower market, and there's vegetable market, and there's basically everything you'd think of and imagine. The motorbike with the police officer. Look how beautiful it is. I don't understand how there's so much like supply and demand, because there are so many flower vendors. It goes on and on and on. And is there that many people buying the flowers? I guess there would be, right? But
And for all the temples.
yeah, but still, there's so many. check out Chinatown.
Here we go.
So this is where it's at to find all the street food. Look at this. Oh my god.
Look, we just found we could eat all these different bugs, grasshoppers, scorpions, beetles. Tonight I don't dare eating those, but in the future I will.
Is it hard to eat with your chopsticks?
Not really. Dinner was amazing.
Breakfast here this morning is again another delicious one. What did you find today, Angelique?
Sausage.
Yes, bratwurst sausages. Yummy. So it's our last day here at the Conrad, and we decided to come get some pampering and some nice treatments. So they have this beautiful spa here, and I think I'm going to do a facial and a bit of a back massage to refresh it up. Oh, it's so nice. Feels good already. So you choose your oils. I'm getting one that's called Serene. It has jasmine flower in it, scent. So nice. Can't wait. That was so heavenly. The way they do massages here is they literally go on your back and they like use their elbows and push in, and it's very deep and thorough, and it is basically like having heaven on your back and your body. So they end the massage treatment with nice heat on your neck and a delicious ginger tea and cookies. So I know in our videos it looks like all we do is have fun. But the reality is there is a lot of stress behind moving, packing, finding new locations, managing the kids, managing our work, everything like that. So sometimes coming and getting a heavenly treatment like this is like just the thing we need to be able to keep going. And it's so nice.
Thanks for watching our tour of Bangkok, Thailand. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and comment down below where you're watching from. We'll see you next time. Bye.